Hello my loves, this is Jocelyn. I am back with another video for you guys. It's this summer baddie glossy look. I am super excited for this look. I love how this look turned out. I just feel very glossy, very baddie. You know, like that bitch. The hair I am using is by Nadula Hair. They sent this hair to me. This is 4 bundles in my head, like 3.8 bundles in my head. I didn't even use the closure. Send me a closure? They did not send me a closure. I don't think so. But this is like 4 bundles in my head. Shout out to Jazz again. You guys know her link will be in the description box. She is who slays my hair. And this hair, I talk a lot about this hair while I'm doing it. I didn't do anything to my hair. Like, I haven't washed the hair yet, so this is the hair after it's been worn for a few days and brushed out. So you guys will see how I get this effortless, wavy, messy lioness type of hair, because you guys know that's the kind of hair I love. If you guys have not yet subscribed, if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. Please like this video. I'm trying to be on it with my channel now. You feel me? I know a lot of you guys say that you don't see my videos, and that is because you don't have the bell on. The bell notification lets you know every single time I post a video. It'll pop up in your notifications. So if you are not a part of notification gang, click the bell down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look and this hair look, then just keep on watching.